What's up, guys? What's going on? I'll be showing you how to install your WordPress. First of all, let me uninstall this particular one you did here. Okay, by clicking on that, and you see where I click. So it's just to remove it. Let's remove it. It's asking that we should want to install it. So you think they got to removing the WordPress. So and the installation was removed successfully. So have to return to what? To return to WordPress management. Now, this is how to install your WordPress. So the first thing you got to do is to first of all know the kind of website you want to create. Now we are creating a business website. So we are clicking on the install. Now clicking on this install, the thing you got to do right now is that you will backspace this by removing this and WP. Then second, this is the name of the website, which you have to put the name of your website. If your website name is for instance, the website name already is the domain name, so you have to put maybe the full name. Let's say maybe the name of the website is business site, for instance. I don't know, I just have to be default. So the next thing is this is your admin login. So you set up your admin login, but I will leave this as default. You can put any password you want. For me, I will leave this as default as admin and password pass as a password. Then this one is the website description. That means what is the website all about? Okay, let's say business purpose. I don't know. The website description simply means that's the description of your website. So you can put a little description of the website. Then this one is the website admin now. I mean the user admin. So you can put your admin that is working. So maybe a Gmail or whatsoever, or the support email of this. So let me put support. Let me put support so that I can create a support email. So after that, it's going to ask you which language you got to do it at default in English, and it talk about plugins and so on and so forth. So you have to tick all this to improve your health. Then after that, you click on what? Install. Don't select it for now. Later we are going to go and select the thing. So let's just say, or if you want to select the theme also, you can click on manage theme or whatsoever. But for now, I'm just showing us how to just install direct. So all these things will bring a different type of thing. And so okay, as we are looking for, but most of the things that will be here now, they are just default theme. So that's why I don't need. Let me just take this one. Select theme. Selecting. It's asking yes. So I have to select this thing right now, then I'll do what? Install. So but remember, we can change our theme. I'm just trying to install it quick so that we can really see how really run the installation on it quickly. So the installation is running, it's propagating the database. So you have to get to 100% for the thing to be surely installed. Remember, after installing, as it's installing right now, after you successful. Now this detail is very very crucial. You have to copy these details, which is your admin, where you are going to log in to edit your site. That's your admin. That's where you are going to log in to edit your site. So I go to another home page here by clicking my admin. So sorry, this admin. Remember, we have removed. Sorry, I went to go and put this thing at the back. So that's your admin. Admin is loading. Now look at the admin here. Can you see? So you have to put in admin, then the pass, which is this I put as default. So I log into the admin. So from this admin, that's where we are going to be editing our website. Now Let's even view our website first, because it's from this admin we start to edit our website. So it's from this admin we are going to edit our website. So you can say by default or whatsoever. Now look at our website. So let me just click on it so that we can see it. So this is just the default website display. The default website display. Are you seeing it? Look at our website here. I think this template is very cool. So you can edit anything, edit the image, edit the write-up, and so on and so forth, the background. So that's where we're going to work on, and which is from there where we're going to do that. So please, thank you. This is how to install your website, your WordPress theme. So keep following up so that you can get more of this teaching. Have a nice day.